An Empower Cash advance gets denied most often when your account doesn't meet the app's eligibility rules, or when your bank connection can't verify your income and balance in real time. By the end of this, you'll know how to figure out why you were denied, how to fix the most common issues, and what actually helps you get approved again. Start by opening the Empower app and checking your advance eligibility screen. If it shows denied or unavailable, the issue is usually tied to your income history or bank data access. Next, open your linked bank account inside Empower and confirm it is still connected. If the bank connection is broken or not syncing, Empower can't verify deposits or account activity. That verification step is required before any advance gets approved. Open your bank app and check if your recent deposits and transactions are showing correctly. If your income is not being detected, Empower may automatically block advance eligibility. Next, check if you recently changed your bank password or enabled new security settings. Those changes often break the connection between Empower and your bank without warning. If that happened, go back into Empower and reconnect your bank using your current login details. Do not use saved credentials if they are outdated, because that can cause another verification failure. Also check if you have multiple bank accounts linked. If Empower is pulling data from the wrong account, your income may not look consistent enough to qualify. Next, look for any pending verification steps inside the app. Some users are denied simply because identity or bank verification was never fully completed. If everything looks correct, sign out of the app and sign back in. That refreshes your account session and can fix temporary eligibility glitches. Avoid repeatedly applying for advances after a denial. Multiple requests in a short time can trigger stricter system checks and delay approval even longer. If your account still shows denied after fixing everything, contact Empower support. Provide your account email, bank name, and the exact denial message shown in the app. Those details help support determine whether the issue is temporary, eligibility-based, or caused by a bank sync error. To sum it up, check your eligibility status. Fix your bank connection, confirm your income deposits are being detected, and complete any missing verification steps. Next, open Empower and make sure your bank is fully connected before trying another advance request. If this guide helped, like the video. Subscribe for more Empower tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.